Okay, I actually saw a complaint on Amazon saying that we had cheapened our product, and I'm going to show you that that is not the case. In fact, if you could see this, it's there. You can notice the width on the plates. And this is a cell that was built just about a month ago. The width of the plates is significantly more than what we started with in 2018. So this is, we have not cheapened it. In fact, I know they said it was shorter, but maybe quarter of an inch. But the plates are wider, so there's more plate area, and the only thing that we've done to cost is, well, actually going from purple to white or gray caps is actually saves money and has no impact on the performance. Plus the purple tend to get a little bleached out after a while. But anyway, there's many reasons why a cell will have a premature life, but we are still using high quality 10,000 hour rated, and the 10,000 hours is rated in a laboratory, so that doesn't mean it's going to last forever on yours. Typically people will get 2 to 4 years, and last week I had someone that had one that was 6.5 years old before he gave up. So there's like a lot of variables, but we do offer a 1-year warranty. So because most of these problems you don't even know they exist. So we make our product well enough that it can withstand abuse even up to a year, and we do warranty. In fact, we have never denied a warranty claim. So rest assured, we're still doing the same thing. Well, actually, we just tried to make it better here, and you can see just from the plate area that the new ones are actually better. Anyway, any questions or comments, please, you can call us, text us. All the information you get a hold of us is in the package when you get it.